Welcome to our video on economic analysis. As investors, we need to understand how the economy works and what indicators to look for to analyze its performance. What are we covering in this series? 1. Key indicators of economic analysis. 2. What do key indicators mean? 3. How it impacts our lives. Let's start by understanding the key indicators of economic analysis. Gross domestic product or GDP. The first indicator we will look at is gross domestic product. This measures the total value of goods and services produced in a country over a specific period. GDP is an essential measure of a country's economic performance as it shows how productive the economy is. A higher GDP usually means a growing economy, which is good news for investors and entrepreneurs. The second indicator we will explore is inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the prices of goods and services increase over time. When inflation is high, the cost of living goes up, which can impact our purchasing power. As consumers, we need to be aware of inflation as it can affect our budgets and savings. On the other hand, as investors, inflation can create opportunities to invest in assets that appreciate in value. The third indicator we will look at is employment. Employment is a crucial measure of an economy's health as it shows the number of people who are working and contributing to the economy. Low employment rates can indicate an economic slowdown, while high employment rates suggest growth and prosperity. Finally, we will explore interest rates. Interest rates are the cost of borrowing money and are set by the Reserve Bank of India. High interest rates can discourage borrowing and spending, while low interest rates can encourage economic growth. As consumers, we need to be aware of interest rates as they impact the cost of borrowing for mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. Conclusion. Understanding these key indicators of economic analysis is essential to make informed decisions about our finances, investments, and our overall economic well-being. We appreciate you viewing our video on economic analysis. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and economic analysis. Thank you.